Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your research tools with Mendeley detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Mendeley website at www.mendeley.com. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required information and create your account. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, download the Mendeley desktop application from the website. Install the application by following the prompts on your screen. Next, familiarize yourself with the Mendeley interface. Explore the main sections, your library, groups, and suggestions. To add references, click on Add Document in your library section. You can drag and drop PDFs directly into Mendeley. Alternatively, use the search function to find and import articles from various databases. Take advantage of Mendeley's web importer tool for easier citation while browsing the internet. Install the web importer by following the instructions on the Mendeley website. Once installed, use it to save references and full-text PDFs directly from research databases or publisher sites. Now that you have your references, organize them using folders or tags. Create folders for different projects or topics to keep your research organized. To generate citations, select the article or document in your library. Click on the Cite button and choose your desired citation style. Mendeley supports various styles, including APA, MLA, and Chicago. You can also create a bibliography from your selected references. After selecting your references, click on Build Bibliography. You can then copy and paste it into your document. Next, explore the collaboration features by creating or joining groups. Groups allow you to share references and collaborate with other researchers. Simply click on Groups and then create group to start your own. Invite colleagues by sharing the group link or sending invitations. For enhanced functionality, consider exploring Mendeley's mobile app. The app allows you to access your library on the go. You can read and annotate documents directly from your mobile device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.